Hi, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. We got a brand new 2019 DRV Mobile Suites, model number 39 DBRS3. Come on inside, let's take a peek. All right, inside here, we got a nice big counter here, big island with double sink, big on one side, smaller on the other side. Here's your water spout, stainless steel. Inside here you got some storage underneath both sides. These actually have the slam latches, they're solid wood. And when you try to slam these, see the soft door closes. You got a lot of nice pantry there. The Mobile Suites got all kinds of storage, solid wood. We got residential type hinges, stainless steel, convection microwave. You got the brand new 3-burner Furrion with a glass door oven. There's a dishwasher here. So you got your residential refrigerator here with the freezer on the bottom, refrigerator on top. It's pretty cool. So going around this way, you got more cabinets. Got cabinets all around, which is pretty awesome. There's your stereo system there, all wired and everything. Here's your TV. You got a fireplace here. You got a little bit of storage on the side, both sides of there. The ductwork in the floor goes around. They got an underbelly, covered underbelly, heated. So you've got the true MCDs, you got the day shades, and then the complete dark out shades. More LED lights, you know, lighting in the cabinet with glass. With the glass, kind of gives you a nice touch. Pretty cool. So you got a hide-a-bed here. Here's your control panels here for your lights and your ceiling fan right there. You've got recliners here. Nice heavy duty, solid wood. More cabinets all the way above here. Storage. I mean, this is a great coach. Tall ceilings, wide body, thicker walls than anybody else, thicker insulation. So you've got your table here. There's 2 more chairs up in the closet up there. This pulls out. Then you've actually got some little cabinets on there for storage. These have the swing away, the frameless windows. They open up so there's no rain that can come in sideways. It's a beautiful coach, top of the line. So this is the bath and a half. So here you got a half bath in here with a porcelain toilet. You got a spot for a washer, dryer, or a great closet. Storage here. You got a nice cabinet there. Nice big sink right there. You go up here, you got handrails. Here's your all your control panels here. For this, got 2 air conditionings set up. You power control, 50 amp. Little closet there for hanging coats and stuff. Little handrail going up the steps. So you got a built-in dresser. Same thing, it's got the no slam doors. Nice TV here. A lot of wood in these coaches. LEDs all above us. Storage above the bed, actually. Little hookups here. Here's your lighting. You got closet right there for your little storage on both sides. Plug in if you got a CPAP machine or something right there. So you got, this is the front bath. You got a double sink. Lots of storage everywhere. So, and then you've got a full shower, porcelain toilet. I mean, this is a nice, big, awesome shower. You got lots of height. Actually got a little skylight covering here to cover up if you don't want, but yeah, nice big shower. And then of course you got the front walk-in closet with more storage for shoes on the side. You got cedar lined. You got cabinets on the side. Both storage, more storage. Pretty awesome unit. Like I said, this is these are the top of the line. So DRV makes this, and king size bed. Outside you got a nice big grab handle. This has keyless entry. You got the brand new steps. These are the big heavy duty aluminum steps. I mean, they're solid. You actually fold up inside the coats. So kind of cool, but there's nothing like these steps for stability. You got your slides here. That's your little closet. You got a lot of storage here. Look at the bay in here. You got tons of storage in here. Heavy, heavy duty. So on the outdoor, you got the electric awning with LEDs underneath. Actually, you've got awnings for the side, for the windows, and they have the cap over there, so the metal cap on the awnings to keep it clean. In the front here, you're prepped for under here you're prepped for a generator. So if a guy wants to add a generator, it's all pre-wired, ready to go for a generator. Right there. Batteries in this side. Full body paint. So full body paint. Propane tank on each side. That's what these are. This is a propane tank here. This is your bay for your other side. You got a filter system on the water. So all flex water hose. You got some copper in there. Kind of, I mean, like I said, top of the line, hand built. I mean, it's awesome trailer. Auto leveling system, 6-point auto leveling. Storage. There's your water heater. Storage under here. Storage, little storage there for. There's your sewer drain. Access to the refrigerator right there. Some plumbing. So in the back here, you got a power cord reel, so no more hand. I mean, it's electric. It's pretty cool. So these have the fiberglass cap on the front with the cap on the back. With the ladder getting up there, you got the drain spouts that don't drip down the side. It actually comes with, from the factory, receiver hitch, pre-wired. So if a guy wants to, you know, carry bikes or whatnot. So LED out the lighting out the back, all LEDs. So Mobile Suites, one of our top of the line, insulated well, thicker walls than anybody else. It's a great coach. So if you're looking for something really nice that nothing else compares to, come to me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.